Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to helping you create the garden of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you tired of sky-high water bills just to keep a thirsty lawn alive? Do you dream of a vibrant, beautiful garden that thrives on minimal effort? Then you, my friends, need to embrace the magic of Xeriscape desert gardening. Today we're tackling one of the smartest, most stunning landscaping trends in the world, Xeriscaping. This isn't just about throwing a few cacti in a yard. It's a design philosophy that creates incredible, sustainable beauty. We're going to break down the definition, the huge benefits, the best design secrets, and give you our top 10 breathtaking Xeriscape desert garden landscaping ideas using the incredible images you see throughout this video. Stick around because by the end, you'll be ready to transform your landscape. First, let's define our terms. What exactly is Xeriscape desert garden landscaping? The word Xeriscape comes from the Greek word xeros, meaning dry. It's a landscaping method specifically designed to reduce or eliminate the need for supplemental water from irrigation. While it originated in arid climates, its principles can be applied anywhere to conserve water. A true Xeriscape garden isn't just a collection of drought-tolerant plants. It follows 7 core principles: careful planning and design, soil improvement, efficient irrigation or like drip systems, limiting turf areas, using mulches, selecting appropriate plants, and thoughtful maintenance. In short, it's a brilliant, water-wise approach that works with your local climate, not against it. The benefits of adopting a Xeriscape design are truly massive, starting with your wallet and the planet. By replacing thirsty lawns and non-native plants with drought-tolerant varieties and efficient irrigation, homeowners commonly see a reduction in outdoor water use by up to 50% to 75%. That translates directly into significantly lower utility bills. Furthermore, Xeriscaping drastically reduces the time and money spent on maintenance. Forget weekly mowing, constant weeding, and applying costly fertilizers and pesticides. Once established, these gardens are incredibly self-sufficient. Beyond the savings, a Xeriscape garden is an ecological champion, fostering biodiversity by providing a healthy habitat and food source for native pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. It's a sustainable, resilient choice that improves your home's curb appeal and increases its value to savvy buyers. The biggest myth about Xeriscaping is that it means a bare, boring yard of dirt and rock. Nothing could be further from the truth. The key to a beautiful Xeriscape is strategic decoration and design using texture, color, and form. Hardscaping is your best friend. Incorporate boulders and decorative rocks as sculptural elements and contrast them with functional, permeable pathways made of gravel, crushed stone, or decomposed granite. This not only adds beauty but serves as a crucial mulch layer to cool the soil and prevent water evaporation. Think of the plants as living sculpture. Focus on architectural elements like the rigid rosettes of agave or the towering form a yucca. Finally, embrace the rich desert color palette. Use warm, sandy tones in your hardscape and introduce pops of vibrant color with flowering low-water shrubs and colorful succulents. Adding a simple fire pit or a comfortable shaded seating area will transform your water-wise yard into a stunning year-round outdoor living space. Choosing the right plants is essential. Here are 10 drought-tolerant champions perfect for a Xeriscape desert garden. First, agave. Known for its large, symmetrical, architectural rosette and low water needs. Perfect focal point. Second, prickly pear cactus. Famous for its paddle-shaped pads and striking, often yellow or red blooms. Third, sedum. Versatile ground cover or upright succulent that stores water and comes in many colors. Fourth, aloe. Fleshy-leaved succulents that offer stunning structure, and in some varieties, medicinal properties. Fifth, yucca. Provides a dramatic, spiky texture and produces tall, impressive flower stalks. Sixth, lavender. A favorite for its silver-green foliage, aromatic fragrance, and beautiful purple flowers. Seventh, sage. Offers long-blooming color that attracts hummingbirds and butterflies with minimal water. Eighth, coneflower. Hardy perennials with daisy-like blooms that thrive in dry conditions. Ninth, desert willow. A beautiful, drought-tolerant small tree that provides light shade and trumpet-shaped flowers. 10th, golden barrel cactus. A truly iconic, low-maintenance globular cactus that adds a bold, golden accent. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the 10 best Xeriscape desert garden landscaping ideas to spark your creativity. 1. Architectural simplicity with blue agave. This minimalist yet dramatic display utilizes a large, blue-tinged agave americana as the commanding focal point. Surrounded by a smooth, light-colored gravel mulch, the design employs clean lines and open space to highlight the plant's sculptural beauty, while effectively suppressing weeds and maximizing soil moisture retention. The simplicity of the backdrop ensures the plant's form is the main star. 2. The layered desert oasis rockery. A dynamic landscape is created here by using various sizes and colors of rock. Large reddish-brown boulders provide strong anchor points, smaller river stones create contrast and movement, and fine decomposed granite serves as a permeable ground cover. Low-growing sedum and colorful ice plants are tucked into the rock crevices, adding a surprising burst of living color. 3. Functional beauty. The elegant dry stream bed. This is a brilliant water management solution for any yard with a natural slope. The dry riverbed is constructed with smooth, water-worn stones, simulating a creek that only runs during a heavy rain shower. It acts as a natural drainage channel to prevent runoff and erosion while adding a beautiful, organic line through the garden, flanked by tall grasses and smaller cacti. 4. Vibrant container garden on a desert patio. Perfect for smaller spaces, patios, or renters, this idea features a stunning collection of drought-tolerant plants like sticks-on-fire euphorbia and various echeveria. They are potted in a mix of warm terracotta and vibrant cobalt blue ceramic containers. Grouping the pots creates a dense, colorful display that is easy to manage, reposition, and protect if needed. 5. Desert blooms in a southwest color scheme. This garden is designed to reflect the warm hues of a desert sunset. The look is achieved by combining the rusty reds of the rock mulch with the coral blooms of red yucca or Hesperilo parviflora, and the bright orange and yellow of blanket flowers or gaillardia. The resulting effect is a garden that feels incredibly warm, inviting, and vibrant, even under the intense sun. 6. Soft pathways of decomposed granite. A practical and aesthetically pleasing design choice. This utilizes decomposed granite, or often called DG, to create a wide, natural-looking pathway. The soft, permeable surface blends seamlessly with the surrounding landscape of drought-tolerant ornamental grasses and low-lying ground cover succulents, making the garden feel expansive and inviting for a peaceful stroll. 7. Sculptural barrel cactus focal arrangement. A dramatic, low-maintenance arrangement where a mature, round golden barrel cactus is the main focal star. It is strategically flanked by smaller, varied cacti like prickly pear or organ pipe, all planted into a bed of fine gravel. The contrasting textures and shapes of the plants, set against a simple stone background, create a powerful, maintenance-free centerpiece. 8. Attracting wildlife with drought-tolerant blooms. This proves a Xeriscape can be full of life and color. The design incorporates masses of flowering, low-water native plants like desert marigold and pink fairy duster. These specific plants provide year-round color and essential food for hummingbirds and butterflies, creating a dynamic, vibrant, and ecological haven that supports local wildlife. 9. Contemporary clean lines with concrete and succulents. This is a modern design utilizing large, geometric concrete pavers for a chic patio or walkway. This hardscaping is beautifully contrasted with geometric plantings of smooth-leaved succulents like Senecio mandraliscae or blue chalk sticks. The clean lines of the hardscape are offset by the organic, sculptural forms of the plants, achieving a sophisticated and ultra-low maintenance look. 10. Creating a cool retreat with a desert willow. This beautiful design is anchored by a shade-providing, drought-tolerant tree like the desert willow or Calopsis linearis. The tree casts a welcome shadow, beneath which a small, shaded microclimate is created. This area can host slightly more delicate Xeriscape plants and provides a perfect, cool, and tranquil seating area to enjoy the garden away from the harsh afternoon sun. From saving precious water resources and reducing your bills, to providing an ecological haven right outside your door, Xeriscape Desert Garden Landscaping is one of the smartest design choices you can make. It's a chance to ditch the demanding, high-maintenance routine of a traditional lawn and create a stunning landscape that truly celebrates the resilience and unique beauty of arid and semi-arid climates. The variety of colors, textures, and forms in drought-tolerant plants allows for incredible creativity, proving that a water-wise garden can be the most beautiful on the block. Which one of these ideas is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you feel inspired to start your own drought-tolerant transformation, hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more sustainable and beautiful garden inspiration. Also, click the little bell icon so you never miss our new videos. Happy Xeriscaping, and we'll see you in the next video.